In this video, I'll show you why AI Assist's web crawler sometimes cannot reach parts of a site, how to fix it fast, and what to do if you cannot allow the bot. The crawler scans public pages so the chatbot can answer more accurately. If it cannot access your site, answers may be incomplete. So start with the quickest fix. Make sure your site allows the user agent tawk.to bot AI Assistant 1.0. If you use a CDN or a web application firewall such as Cloudflare, create a rule to allow or bypass that user agent. Then give it 24 to 48 hours to rescan. If your content still isn't appearing in the index, go through these common issues. Login walls. The crawler cannot sign in to gated areas. To fix this, publish public versions of key pages, upload documents with the same content, or connect a secure API for private data. Robots.txt or server blocks. Access rules may be stopping bots. To fix this, add an allow rule for tawk.to bot AI Assistant 1.0. And remove any disallow directives that target the widget pages you want indexed. CAPTCHA or anti-bot tools. Bot protection can intercept crawler requests. To fix this, add an exemption for the crawler's user agent, so requests are allowed to pass. Heavy client-side rendering. The crawler reads server-rendered HTML and will not see content that appears only after JavaScript runs in the browser. To fix this, use server-side rendering, provide pre-rendered snapshots, or upload the content as files. Rate limits or IP blocking. Limits can cut scans short after a few requests. To fix this, relax limits or safe list the crawler so it can complete a full pass. Session tokens or redirect loops. Stateful flows and loops trap automated requests. To fix this, offer simple static versions of important pages that the crawler can fetch directly. Hidden or non-text content. The crawler reads visible text only and cannot extract text from images, videos, or obfuscated elements. Place critical information in plain HTML that is visible without interaction. If allowing the crawler is not possible, use alternative data sources. Upload product details, FAQs, and policies in CSV, PDF, or TXT format, or connect an API to let AI Assist pull real-time information such as orders, pricing, and stock. When you troubleshoot, open AI Assist in your tawk.to dashboard, preview a response, and check which data sources were used. Look at your firewall or server logs to confirm that requests from tawk.to bot AI Assistant 1.0 are getting through. Keep sources current by removing outdated files and uploading fresh content. Best practice is simple. Keep key information on public server-rendered pages or in uploaded documents. Maintain accurate sources. Use APIs for private or frequently changing data. Make sure the crawler stays unblocked on public pages. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.